Another day in the Club World Cup. This time Chelsea took on LAFC and won. They never left second gear, but still got the job done. This proves that there's champions and then there's champions. There's levels to this. Going forward, FIFA might want to work on this, along with the attendance, because no amount of money can erase a 10-0 loss from the books. Chelsea starting to get a growing bench in strength. Newcomers to Lep and Ilugo managed to get minutes. Sarge didn't get his opportunity, but there will be chances. They came on and they saw out what the starting 11 started. As effective as the changes were, it still made it feel like a preseason game and not a run for a competitive trophy.